My topic is all about arithmetic series. But before that, let me give you a recap for arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, a sequence in which the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. The formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, wherein a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, n is the number of term to find, and d is the common difference. So now, what is arithmetic series and its formula? Arithmetic series, the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic sequence. The formula for arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n, wherein a sub n is the sum of n terms, a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term. Example number 1. For the first problem, the sequence is 3, 11, and 19, and we need to find S sub 6. Since only the first three terms of the sequence are given, we need to look for the sixth term. But before that, the common difference of the sequence is 8, since the second term 11 is subtracted to 3, which is the first term, is equal to 8. Now we're going to look for the sixth term with the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Plot in first the arithmetic series formula. Next, plot in 6 as n since we are looking for the sixth term, then followed by the first term, which is 3. So the equation will be a sub 6 plus 3 plus 6 minus 1 times 8. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 3 plus 40 is equal to 43. Now we have the value of our a sub 6. It was stated there that we need to find the sum of the first 6 terms by using the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Plot in first the formula for arithmetic series. Next, plot in 6 as n since we are looking for the sum of the first 6 term, then also plot in the first term, which is 3, and the sixth term, which is 43. We will now have the equation S sub 6 is equal to 6 over 2 times 3 plus 43. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, then 3 plus 43 is equal to 46. 46 times 3 is equal to 138. Therefore, 138 is the sum of the first 6 term of the equation 3, 11, and 19. Example number 2. For the second problem, the sequence is 5, 8, 11, and we need to find the S sub 12. Since only the first 3 terms of the sequence are given, we need to look for the sixth term with the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. The common difference of the sequence is 3, since the second term 8 is subtracted to 5, which is the first term, is equal to 3. Next, plot in the formula for the arithmetic sequence. Plot in 12 as n since we are looking for the sixth term, then followed by the first term, which is 5. So the equation will be a sub 12 is equal to 5 plus 12 minus 1 times 3. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. 11 times 3 is equal to 33. 5 plus 33 is equal to 38. Now, we have the value of our a sub 12, which is 38. It was stated there that we need to find the sum of the first 12 terms by using the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, plot in the formula for the arithmetic series. Now, plot in 12 as n since we are looking for the sum of the first 12 term, then also plot in the first term which is the 5 and the 12th term which is 38. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 38 is equal to 43. 6 times 43 is equal to 258. Therefore, 258 is the sum of the first 12 term of the equation 5, 8, and 11. Now, here we go to the last part of this video, which is the real-life application example. A construction company will be penalized each day of delay in construction for bridge. The penalty would be 50,000 pesos for first day and will increase by 5,000 pesos for each following day. How much money that the company will be penalized by the end of 2 weeks? Plot in first the formula of arithmetic sequence. First, we need to find the 14th term of the sequence since 2 weeks is equivalent to 14 days. So the equation would be a sub 14 is equal to 50,000, which is the first term, plus 14 minus 1 times 5,000. 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. 13 times 5,000 is equal to 65,000. 50,000 plus 65,000 is equal to 115,000. Therefore, a sub 14 is 115,000. So now that we've got the 14th term, we need to plot it in with the other value in the arithmetic series formula. So the equation would be S sub 14 is equal to 14 divided by 2 times 50,000 plus 115,000. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 50,000 plus 115,000 is equal to 165,000. 165,000 times 7 is equal to 1,155,000, which is S sub 14. Therefore, with the starting penalty of 50,000 pesos and additional 5,000 pesos daily, the company will be penalized 1,155,000 by the end of 2 weeks.